Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered what happens when God Himself pulls you out of this world and shows you the other side? Not in death, but while you are still alive. What if I told you I went through all that? I, Mariana Maketi, a simple guy from Lesotho, from a small village named Ghana, which is situated 12 kilometers away from Jetiani town in Berea district. One day I ascended in heavenly light, not once, not twice, but 3 times. And when I came back, I wasn't the same. I came back holding a weapon, a sword of light. In Sesotho, Asabole, in Anaheim. And from that day, my life has never been the same. Some people celebrate me, some attack me, but the truth is, this journey is not for the faint-hearted. Today I am opening up, sharing the whole testimony, and maybe, just maybe, God will open your eyes too. While I was still growing up in Lesotho, I never thought I would walk a path like this. I was just like everyone else. I had dreams, I had plans, and just like a normal guy, I had struggles. I studied information technology from the University of Limpopo University of Creative Technology. I worked hard and I was hoping for a normal life and a better life. But what I didn't realize was God had other plans. Plans that would pull me into spiritual warfare. Visions and the kind of experiences that sound unbelievable until you live them. I know many people will think I am crazy, that I watch too many movies, but this testimony, this podcast is what I saw, is what I went through. One modimo ha kgethe batho, o kgetha bao a ba ratang bakeng sa lesedi. Mme nna ke sa tsebe letho, ke fumanehile ke le hara bao. Let me take you to that moment, the moment it all changed. It wasn't a dream, it wasn't my imagination. I found myself being lifted by this angel, a heavenly being. But what is shocking, that angel didn't just appear out of nowhere. It manifested itself from a white paper. That paper turned, shifted, and before I knew it, I was being lifted into the air from the cloud. Then I woke up. 3 times I ascended through this light, heavenly light. It was pure, powerful, and indescribable. And after the 3rd time, I didn't come back empty-handed. I came back with a sword, a shining sword of light. A weapon I never asked for, but one that was given to me. You know, in physical life, no human being can hold it with one hand. It is massive. It is huge. You have to hold it with 2 hands. When you read Isaiah chapter 54 verse 17, it says, no weapon formed against you shall prosper. But what about when God gives you the weapon? Now, let me take you to the life after ascension. Since that day, nothing has been normal. In the physical, I'm still me. But in the spirit, something changed. You know, when we pray at church, when we pray together as the youth guild of Canalexa, demon fires, witches manifest. But it comes with attacks, jealousy, people turning their backs on me. Even close people, some I once prayed with, turned against me. They spread lies, they formed groups to destroy me. But I'm still stable because God is always with me. But here's the thing. It doesn't matter the struggles that you have gone through. It doesn't matter what people say about you. If God chooses you, He doesn't look at your stability, He doesn't look at your struggles, He doesn't look from the point of view of human beings. But one thing that I can tell you is that the journey is not easy and the burden is too heavy. There are days when I cry, I ask God, why me? Why me, God? Why all these burdens? Why all these struggles? But His ways are not our ways. Maybe you feel like you are walking in the same path that I am right now. Like your life has been nothing but hardships, setbacks. Like others get everything easily, but maybe, just maybe, it's because you are called for something bigger. Bigger than money, fame, relationships. You are called for impact. You are called for warfare. You are called for a kingdom assignment. Look at Moses, Joseph. They were attacked, rejected, but their destiny could not be stopped. So today, I share this podcast not to boast, but to remind you God's calling is real. The spiritual realm is real. And sometimes the hardest life means the highest calling. If you have been blessed by this testimony, subscribe, follow, and share this. We are in this together. And trust me, the God who lifted me is ready to lift you too. Until next time.